Uh, Hello. I'd like you to take you to my preferences page. This is Nezaket, as you can see. And let's look at my profile first. And here you can see I'm from Istanbul, Turkey. And I have a web page here. You can see technology use in ELT. Let's see if I can open it from here. Yes, it took me to my web page called Nezaket site. Here, this is a web that shows you some useful tools and web tools, I mean, for technology use. Here, this has parts like how to do surveys or which tools to use surveys, which tools to use preparation, and which tools can be used to do presentations. And yeah, some useful links for teacher trainers who may use them in their training activities. Let's go up and go back to my Moodle page. Okay, I'm going back to Nezaket's preferences now as a user. Yes, user account. Let's look at how I can change my profile, or do I want to change my profile? You can see here. Yeah, I want everyone to be able to see my email address, and time zone is Europe, Istanbul. And here you can see my message, which shows I've been teaching for more than 30 years. And I have some experience with EVO sessions. For 2 rounds, let's say co-moderated a course on EVO, thanks to Nelly, who supported us throughout these times. The sessions or the course we gave was called QR Codes in Action. We really enjoyed the experience, and participants' feedback was very positive, and we learned so much from each other. And this is not a very recent photo, but it is one of the pictures I like, and I don't want to change it. And here I see that I didn't include, I included technology, reading and movies. Yes, and yeah, there's nothing to update right now, but it can change later. Let's again update it. Anything else I want to update here? Badges, I don't know if I have any badges here. Let's look at what I have in manage badges. Yeah, these are the badges we gave while we were running the QR codes in action session. And thank you to Moodle course. I see that for profile completion, I have one. So I'm proud of it. Okay. So let's go back. Okay, as a user. Is there anything else we can talk about? I don't want to change anything. That's why I think it's okay right now. Thank you for being with me, and thank you for listening. Okay.